Hello, my name is Chris. In this video, you'll learn how to use texting keywords to run a marketing campaign through SMS. In text message marketing, keywords are specific words, phrases, or numbers that people text to a business number or shortcode to trigger a preset response. These responses can include subscribing to a text list, receiving information, or joining a loyalty program. For financial advisors, keyword texting is especially popular when tied to radio and TV marketing campaigns. You can encourage contacts to text a keyword to receive event updates, enter a giveaway or contest, get a thank you message for subscribing, or vote in surveys. To create a texting keyword campaign in LeadCenter, go to the Marketing dashboard. Then under Text Marketing, click Keywords. This table shows each keyword, the selected virtual number, the linked source campaign, the number of subscribers, and the associated text template. To add a new keyword, click New Keyword. Enter the keyword, select the phone number it will be sent to, and choose the response text template. To create a new template, go to Templates. Click Text and create a new text template. Give it a name like Text Keyword 1. And assign a category such as Marketing. Enter your message content. Then, add a keyword like Retire Report. Choose the phone number, assign the Text Keyword 1 template, and click Save. Now the keyword campaign has been created using Retire Report. When someone texts that keyword to the assigned number, they'll automatically receive the preset message. A new lead will also be created, and the contact will be added to the subscriber list for that keyword. This is how you create texting keyword campaigns in LeadCenter. Thank you.